Next on our list is the LP gas detector. We'll absolutely know when it's going off because it's extremely loud and annoying, and it won't stop until you pay attention to it. What we're going to do today is replace it so that you are equipped to do that and to make this loud noise go away. Start by removing the screws on the LP gas detector. Pull the gas detector away, exposing the wires. Use some pliers to pull them through. You don't have to turn off the power of these for this job. What we can do is use our Wago electrical connectors, which you can see on the parts page of your manual. And what we'll do is start by cutting the power on the black side, which is your neutral side, as well as the neutral wires. I do them one at a time so I don't get confused. Take your wire cutters, strip the cable on all three. Then you will take your Wago, flip up the paddles, insert in, close the paddle, give a little tug to make sure it's secure, and then do so for the other two. Nice and secure. We will do the same for the other side. Insert, close, do a nice little pull test. Pull test. You should see the light. And then we will push everything back in. Take your screws and remount the LP gas detector. And then the last thing that we will do, press the test button to test.